You can't just ask customers what they want and then try to give that to them. By the time you get it built, they'll want something new. We are here to put a dent in the universe, otherwise, why else even be here? You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down and it has made all the difference in my life. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. Great things in business are never done by one person, they are done by a team of people. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like, design is how it works. An iPod, a phone, an internet mobile communicator, these are not three separate devices, and we are calling it iPhone. Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone, and here it is. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying, we have done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. Everyone here has a sense that right now is one of those moments when we are influencing the future. Computers themselves and software yet to be developed will revolutionize the way we learn. Technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people, that they are basically good and smart, and if you give them tools, they'll do wonderful things with them. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovations. I want to put a ding in the universe. We are just enthusiastic about what we do. If you are gonna make connections which are innovative, you have to not have the same bag of experiences as everyone else does. Our goal is to make the best devices in the world, not to be the biggest. For you to sleep well at night, the aesthetic, the quality has to be carried all the way through. I think money is a wonderful thing because it enables you to do things. It enables you to invest in ideas that don't have a short term payback. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. For the past 33 years, I have looked in the mirror every morning and asked myself, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today? And whenever the answer has been no for too many days in a row, I know I need to change something. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than two doubles. That's been one of my mantras, focus and simplicity. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? I think the things you regret most in life are the things you didn't do. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose.